2004 Honda CRF 230. This is where you check the oil at. So you come and you're on the right hand side of the bike where the throttle's over here. Down right here is where you can check your oil at. So you just unscrew it. I've already unscrewed mine most of the way. And then you've got your dipstick, and then you can put it back in. Just make sure that you screw it all the way in. It takes quite a bit to screw it back in. It's kind of a long thread and a weird angle. But if you have any questions, let me know.